The following video will show you how to use HiSorb, a high-capacity sorptive extraction tool for liquid and solid samples. You will need your sample in a sealed vial, a conditioned HiSorb probe, a HiSorb agitator, tissue or air source to dry the probe, a tube, and caps to secure your sample. Here you will see immersive sampling demonstrated, but you can also use headspace sampling. Place your sample in a 20 ml or 10 ml vial, sealed with a crimped HiSorb septum cap. Start by placing your conditioned probe into the sealed vial. Ensure you only handle the probe with gloved hands or the HiSorb extraction tool to prevent contamination. To mix and heat the sample, use the HiSorb agitator to facilitate extraction. At the end of extraction, use the handle to remove the probe from the vial. Wash the probe with water to remove any sample matrix. Next, dry the probe using a lint-free tissue or blasts of clean air. Finally, insert the probe into an empty, industry-standard sorbent TD tube, either metal or inert. Add caps to secure the sample. It's now ready for analysis. For more information, visit marks.com.